Hi guys, and welcome back to another trading module. This is the break structure part 2. I showed you in the last module, obviously for the sell side of things, I'm going to show you what to look for on the reversal, which is for the buy, okay? And more so, I purposely picked out one which is going to show you the power, and I mean that the precise power and precision of just how good smart money is and how the banks move their prices, okay? So again, let's head over to the chart. See my screen. And we'll go over to here. Right, so what we've got, let's take a look. Just want to sort of drill into this because what we've got, guys, okay, we've had, okay, you've got, just to get this a little bit better, you've got a downtrend, okay? We spoke earlier about areas like this, okay? You're creating, on this front, you're creating lower highs, okay? And on the corrections here, you have got lower lows, okay? You can clearly see from here, we are in here, downtrend, okay? Now, what we need, okay, guys, what we need is a breaker structure. So a breaker structure, I think I didn't sort of mention this quite clearly in the last video, is this area here, the last high, which will be this one here. Once we get a clearance from here, okay, once we get a clearance from here, we know we have broken structure, okay, and we have simply got that from this candle here, okay, so we have clearly got a breaker structure, okay, so this here is your BOS, your break of structure, okay. Let's get this on here. So that's your BOS. From there, you can see as a banker's candle, going from your earlier videos, we had the push on here. The banker's candle is always the last down before the up, okay. You can see that we got that on this candle here. So this is the banker's candle, okay. Banker's candle, or other known as an institutional candle, an ICT, okay. This is what I'll just abbreviate it to. I'll just get that there. From there, we then had the push up, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark this here on the body. You can normally enter on the body, if it depends on the time frame you're going on. Normally on the 4 hours, you can mark an entry from the body or the 50% of the candle. Now you can drill these time frames down because the price does not matter where you go on the charts. Again, I can't emphasize this enough. Doesn't matter where you go on the charts, price is always the same, okay. It just means when you're drilling down from that higher time frame, it's fractal, okay? You're breaking your big steps and your big chunks into smaller pieces to look at the blocks to be able to get a more precise entry, okay? Now, watch the power of this, guys. We've marked up the banker's candle. We've got the breaker structure. Let's just see if this come back to respect that level, okay? Let's take a look. Yes, it's taken some time, but this is for the purpose of showing you just how well this works, okay? We keep moving this along, keep moving this along, keep moving this along. And again, it might take a little bit of time, but we shall see. There you have it, guys. Look at this. Look at this. You can't make this stuff up. We come back and we tested this to the pip. To the pip, right? And let's just see how far these had gone, okay? And this is not using all the other methods, all the other techniques. This is just using 2 confirmations to get yourself in on a trade, okay? You can set these up like this and trade this sort of style by using these just simple techniques without doing the others. The more probability that you're stacking against these things here, the more chances you've got of having a successful trade. Now this here, let's just take a look. Even if we took it to this area here, okay, we'll take it to this area here. Let's see how many pips that would have give us. Again, there would have been no drawdown. Nearly 700 pips, guys. Okay. Nearly 700 pips. Now, this technique is very powerful. Again, I urge you to go back and watch these module trainings as much as you possibly can. It does take a little bit of time to sort of sink in, but with the help of what I'm going to be bringing into the group and sort of drawing up the charts and doing some video analysis, after time, okay, it's not going to happen overnight. After time, as long as you keep drilling in, okay, and sort of practicing these techniques, and again going back on the modules and sort of looking for each aspect of the structure of breakdown, go on your charts, okay, and practice looking for those different parts of the strategy, you will become very successful. Okay, guys, that there, what I've just shown you now, is just using two of the several things you can look for on the charts to help you get in on a trade. So hopefully you've seen the power in that, and I thank everybody that comments, likes and shares on the stuff that we do. Okay, guys, thank you very much.